Grade 6, Term 2, Unit 1, Fun on the Weekend. Weekend. 1. Fun on the Weekend. Talk time. In your books, page 2. Unit Objectives. Number 1. The students will be able to ask a partner about his or her weekend. Number 2. The students will be able to listen to someone's answer about what he or she did over the weekend. New words. Weekends. Weekends are Fridays and Saturdays. We have here the timeline. We have past. The past means something that happened and finished in the past. Then we have the present, which is now, and then future, something that might happen at some point in the future. Regular past tense. The regular past tense will take ed at the end of the verb. Examples will follow in the next slide. We have here a couple of sentences that have the regular past tense in them. Let's read the first sentence. Number 1. I cleaned my room. So here we have cleaned. Here is the verb. The verb is cleaned. Okay. Clean is the verb. When I want to bring the past, I will take clean and add ed. Add plus ed equals regular past verb or regular past tense. Okay? So ed. Then we have here Noura stayed at home. Stayed also is the verb here. Verb is stay. Want to bring the past, add ed. If you have the verb stay, you want to bring the past, add only ed because it is a regular past tense. So here Noura stayed at home. So here we have I cleaned the room. So cleaned here is what? Is the verb. So where is the verb? It's cleaned. How do you know it? Because we have the ed at the end, and this means that the verb is in the past. It is in the past. It is a regular past verb. So I'm going to say I cleaned the room. I cleaned the room. Trampoline. 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 We have two pictures here. First thing we're going to do is look at them. Here we have a boy. He looks like he's scared. So the boy is scared. And why is he scared? Why do you think he is scared? Because he is watching a DVD about what? About sharks. Okay, so watching a DVD about sharks is a scary thing. So let's talk about this boy in the past tense. He watched a DVD about sharks. The ed here shows that the verb is in the past. So the verb is watched. Watched. How we're going to pronounce the ed? We're going to say it. Watched. Watched. He watched. Okay? So we're going to pronounce it as ta. He watched a DVD about sharks. Okay, so this boy, what did he do? He kicked the football. He kicked the football. Okay, so this is the football, and the boy, what did he do? He kicked the football. Kicked again. Kicked. 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 So as if we're pronouncing the ed, it's pronounced here kicked, as if it's a t. When we pronounce it, we say it to make it light. So he kicked the football. He kicked the football. They played computer games. Where's the verb here? The verb is played. Played. So underline played. Play plus ed. So it is regular past tense. Regular past tense. Regular past. He studied. Again. So where's the verb here? The verb is studied. What kind of verb? it is regular past. He studied. He studied. He studied. Let's read the next sentence. He cooked breakfast. He cooked breakfast. He cooked breakfast. So where's the verb here? The word cooked. Also the same thing. It is a regular past verb or regular past tense because we have the ed. So as soon as you see the ed with the verb that comes with the verb, we know it is a regular past. Okay? Okay. She stayed at home. Where's the verb here? Is stayed. So we're going to underline it or circle it. Then we are going to write verb, V for verb. And then what kind of verb is it? It is a regular past. Regular past. Unit 1. Fun on the weekend. Finding out time. Listen and practice. Then do it in pairs. Regular verbs. Number 1. I cleaned my room. That's boring. Number 2. You practiced on the trampoline. That's great. Number 3. He watched a DVD about sharks. That's scary. Number 4. He kicked a ball for 3 hours. That's okay. Number 5. They played computer games. That's great. Number 6. Fahad studied for 6 hours. That's fantastic. Number 7. Ali cooked breakfast. That's great. Number 8. Noura stayed home. That's boring. Okay, let's repeat it one more time. Number 1. I cleaned my room. That's boring. Number 2. You practiced on the trampoline. That's great. Number 3. He watched a DVD about sharks. That's scary. Number 4. He kicked a ball for 3 hours. That's okay. Number 5. They played computer games. That's great. Number 6. Fahad studied for 6 hours. That's fantastic. Number 7. Ali cooked breakfast. That's great. Number 8. Noura stayed home. That's boring.
Exercise 2. Ask, listen, and comment. 1. Practice the comments. 1.
That's fantastic.
2.
That's great.
3.
That's okay.
4.
That's boring.
5.
That's scary.
2. Sit in a circle. Ask, answer, and make comments.
What did you do over the weekend?
I cooked a big breakfast.
That's fantastic. What did you do over the weekend?
I watched a new DVD.
That's great.
Now let's play for real.
Thanks for watching. Prepared by Miss Noura Ghazali.